Okay, today we're with my friends. Could you show this actually to us a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, so this friend of mine, that's my name here. Okay. So basically, my dear friend Cesar, he made this sphere. It's from a game. Okay, we're going to VSpace. So how do you turn this thing on?
You just press it for like 3 seconds, and then choose
the mode.
Yeah, I would say the mode. And
자동 코스.
yeah, there's 자동 코스. I'm not sure what is name on cost
Like what I want.
Yeah, what I want, but like what do I want?
You never know.
But then yeah, there's like massage speed.
Let me know if I can help you with something.
It's fine. For now, it's fine.
Okay. Wow, I love the smell of wood.
The biggest thing that you see here is like the CNC machine, which is a machine that you use to make patterns in wood. So if you need to do like a very big pattern on wood, whether because you are like an artist or because you're a mechanical engineer and you need a big wood part, you can just do it in here. I mean, you would design it usually, you would design it in your computer and then you would come and cut. You just give the file to the teacher's assistant and he will do it for you.
Okay.
We usually use Adobe Illustrator.
What is that?
It's a software that you use to draw, basically. Yeah, so both artists and mechanical engineers use it sometimes so that they can give it to the machine and it will cut apart for you.
To me, it looks like an airplane or a bird. But yeah, more like an airplane. Or like a jet. This is definitely a weapon. Like Cesar Gonzalez. Okay. Trying to make it straight,
More
kind of.
straight.
Yeah. Wow. is the 촬영실.
Yeah, the studio.
And what do you usually 촬영 here? Like what
So
what
that's
do
the
you
thing,
record?
Like every.
If you want to promote something?
So yes, like every other, let's say like a space and equipment in VSpace, you can make a reservation to use it. So it's really up to you. Like if you need
it can be anything.
it can be anything. If you need any of the, like the equipment.
Can I use, this is the 촬영실. What about the coloring? The dyeing?
Yeah, so it's this place. So it's totally separated.
Let me-
of course.
let me-
You can.
Thank you. So this section over here, wow. Wow. I love colors. Oh, these are the sprays that you were talking about, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that would be too much work if you think of it. Like, you have to cover the sides.
Yeah, there's like, you would use this tape, so you have to like wrap it.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, look at the Sanjini over there. They're not dyed yet. Spider-Man.
Yeah, just with a gray color, because then when you are painting with water paint, usually if you don't use this spray first, the water paint will be absorbed by the PNU.
Oh, really? So
Yes.
it doesn't get the color, basically.
It is very hard, yeah. You would have to paint many times.
Oh, it's
but-
based on product. I'm gonna
Yeah.
take a look at this here a little bit. These.
So what they did here is that they first sprayed with gray, and then they paint on top of that water color.
Oh.
And,
You did mine here as well?
yeah, actually, yeah, I did it just right there.
Wow, it's been already like 3 years.
Yeah, that's right.
What is it? Mold shaping?
Yeah, like, see this? Like, they actually probably 3D printed this shape,
Yeah.
and then
they
they,
gave it
they made a mold of it by using this plastic.
Yeah.
They just put the mold in here.
It gives me the feeling of, the toshirag,
Yeah.
the lid. So this is the mold shaping? Is it called
Yeah.
MOLD?
Yes, mold.
Okay. Yeah, because like you said mold, and I was like the mold,
No.
like the green thing.
No, MOLD.
Yeah. The printing corner. And this is like the lamp.